What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We are doing another goals board, a monthly reset, monthly goal board, monthly vision board, whatever y'all want to call it, okay? But we have been doing these videos on this channel since January, the start of the new year, and honestly I really like this. I usually just do like a yearly vision board type of shindig, but incorporating these monthly vision board goal boards have been a game changer for me. So before we get into what May is looking like, let's go ahead and welcome y'all to the channel. So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is CrissyJ. If you're new here, I do want to invite you to subscribe for good vibes, because I think you're going to absolutely love it here. If you're a returning subscriber, y'all know the drilly. Welcome back to another video. So happy May 1st. I can't believe I'm even saying that. It just feels like time is flying. Like, I know I say that every time I do one of these videos, but it is, y'all. Like, it's crazy. But anyway, we give titles to each month. And this month I feel like a lot of the things that I was putting on my goal board are more geared towards self-care, self-love, empowerment, things like that. So I'm calling May a mindful May, and I just want to be mindful of everything I do in the month of May and beyond. I want to be choosy with how I spend my time, what I invest my energy into, and I want it to be purposeful. I don't want to just do things just to be busy, you know. I want to do things that are going to feed my soul. And so let's go ahead and first tackle April and see what we did or did not accomplish in the month of April. Give your girl some grace. Y'all know April was a little rough. It was a little rough for your girl. But yeah. So let's go ahead and see what we got done. So looking back at April, it really wasn't too much for April, to be honest. I had the theme was blue, which is funny because I had blue nails pretty much majority of April, or half of April. It was to save some money. I did do that. And my goal was to finish reading the book, start and finish reading the book, The Power of Your Unconscious Mind. I did not do that, y'all. Like, I only got to page 75, I think. Yeah, so didn't get to complete that. I have a picture of a Bible. I haven't dived into my Bible the way I wanted to in the month of April. I did, but I didn't. You know what I mean? Like, if that makes sense. I feel like I was in my word, but I wasn't in my word. Does that make sense? I don't know, but I know what I'm saying. I could have did better, basically. I had a picture of some weights and just, you know, a water bottle, a yoga mat. That was to signify me working out. I do not think I did a good job at that whatsoever. I think I was more worried in April, and then when I let go of the worry and just gave it to God, I was like, okay. And so now I finally feel like I can just kind of woosah, and I feel like I have arrived. I'm good, and now I feel like May could definitely be a kickstart to something good. I also had a picture of a Pilates class. I did not do that. Me and Adriana were talking about trying to see if we can kind of navigate doing that, but our schedules and everything just didn't align before the month of April was out. So hopefully that can roll over and we can knock that out for May. Also, meal prep was on there. I did meal prep, but I only meal prepped one time, and a lot of food was wasted. So I don't think meal prep is really going to be too much for me. If so, I just can't meal prep a whole lot of meals. Like, I can't do it how I did it before, because it's just, I didn't realize how bored I get with eating the same thing over and over again. And I know this about me. I do not like leftovers like that. I can eat leftovers maybe once. Pushing it is 2 days. After that, it's a wrap. So I have to switch it up. I could probably cook like 2 different meals and then maybe like a span of 2-3 days at max. I don't know, y'all. It just didn't work out. But and I was supposed to start the soft challenge, which I did start, and I only got 2 days. I only got through 2 days, and that was because everything going on with my mammogram and biopsy and all of that just kind of like took over my mind. Okay, it just was a mess. Drink more water and continue to romanticize myself and, you know, buy myself some flowers. I did want to treat myself to a pair of New Balance. However, I was supposed to treat myself to New Balance once I hit goal, and yeah, I got the shoes without hitting the goal. I know. But the biggest win is having a benign mass in my bosom. So that's a huge win for me, and I'll take it. Okay, so let's go ahead and move over to what we're looking like for Mindful May. Mindful, conscious or aware of something. Focusing one's awareness on the present moment, especially as part of a therapeutic or meditative technique. All right, so Mindful May, you guys, we're into spring. At the very top left corner, you'll see the girl with her cute little outfit on, colorful, and that just signifies me just getting back into me, stepping into my fashion, and just kind of like taking on loving my body the way it is at the moment. I feel like my body has been good to me, and the confirmation of the benign mass, girl, love on you, like, period. You know what I mean? And it's like, I feel honestly, the more I pour in and love on me, the more my body will love me back, and the weight will continue to fall off. Like, people who haven't seen me in a while, and that I'm running into when I'm outside and things like that, I posted a full body picture on my social media. Like, everyone sees the weight loss. Sometimes it's harder for you to see the weight loss when you're looking at yourself every day, but I need to give myself grace and like celebrate myself. You know what I mean? Girl, you are doing the damn thing. It's coming off nice and slow, just as you want it to. And so now I feel like I can start getting myself dressed and putting myself together the way I like to look. And I took myself shopping on a little shopping spree. I did a little try on haul with you guys. Y'all know I do janky try on hauls, okay? But that's just, you know, me taking the first step to treating myself and putting myself together, and stop walking out the house looking like anything. Like, I don't need to just walk out like I'm just running to the store down the street all the time. You know what I mean? Like, girl, put yourself together, put clothes together, look good in them, wear them confidently. Okay, period. Underneath that, it's a bicycle, and I know that's not for me, but it is for me. I want baby girl to have a bike. Me and Sean have been talking about this like for the longest time, but we just need to break down and just give her one. And I'm like, you know, I really want her to get her bike. I feel like if we get her bike, it'll kind of go hand in hand with pushing me and forcing me to go outside more and walk more, because she'll be on her bike and she'll want to ride it, and so it'll make me get out and get my behind moving. So I do think that we're gonna purchase her a bike this month and just take her out more, and let her, you know, learn how to ride it, and that'll force me, like I said, to get my steps in. Underneath the bicycle, there is a quote that says, "I am free of debt and financial burdens. I am a wise steward of my money and abundance." And that just is a motivational push for me to just keep going. Like, keep going. I did slow down a little bit with my savings, just because, you know, we traveled and we were at my sister's for quite a little while. I think almost like a week straight, and you know, ate up my pockets a little bit, but it's all good. I just, you know, need to get back to it, and I want to pay off some things. I did put a really big chunk down on one of my credit card bills, so I just want to kind of like keep going in that direction. I'm doing really good as far as my finances go, and I just want to take it up a half notch or full notch in the month of May. Go back to the top in the middle, you'll see 3 glasses: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they are smoothies. I did purchase a juicer, and I also purchased a personal blender, and I want to just get into like making my smoothies and stuff. I noticed that I haven't really been having much of an appetite, and that's due to me being on Mounjaro, but instead of me like snacking and eating something like quick that's not healthy for me, I do want to be able to just blend up something real quick. So I figured buying a personal blender is a lot easier than, you know, purchasing a big blender and just it not being something that I want to pull out and mess with, you know. So I feel like a personal blender is much easier to navigate. So yeah, stay tuned for some blending smoothie recipes. Under that is a picture of a laptop, some books, some pencils, and things like that, just to signify studying. I have been doing very well in class. However, my second class, which I'm currently in, I must say my teacher is a little stiff. She a little stiff. But you know, I need it. But it is rough coming from like a teacher who was just so cool, very communicative, like, you know, to my current teacher is like boom, boom, boom. There's no gray area. There's no in between. She's not going to give you leeway. Like, these are the directions and I want you to do them completely. 98.9% doesn't cut it. Like, she's one of those. No bend. No flexibility. But we're still holding down an A. Barely. But we're holding down an A. So my hope is to get through these next few weeks, y'all. Like, I really want to hold my A. Every time I log into my portal, I'm like, ooh, GPA says 4.0. You go, girl. And I want to hold that down, you know. But I'm like, okay, don't be so hard on yourself. If you get a B, you get a damn B. But, it just signifies me just like really getting into my books a little more, setting more time aside for school, because I have been not doing that great with it as far as like when my assignments I do them the day that they're due. And that's like, girl, I need to put time aside during the week and just, you know, kind of manage my time better when it comes to school. But your girl is smart and I got my A. Alright, underneath that, there is a content creator sitting in front of her camera showing some clothes. And that just signifies me getting into my camera more, and not just always vlog style, but doing like head talk videos like I'm doing now. You know, I have my other channel and I really want to kind of like start pushing content across my platforms, across my YouTube channels, because there is a lot that I want to share. There's a lot that I know, there's a lot that I could learn, of course, but I just want to just do more than just vlogging. I absolutely love vlogs, but I have a little more to offer, you know. If you are not subscribed to my other YouTube channels, check them out in the link in the description box and give your girl a subscribe. I would love to have you on over there as well. And back to the top, there's another picture of weights, a yoga mat, and some stretch bands. I feel like that's going to for always and ever be on my vision board, just because it needs to be my lifestyle, period. Like, I just need to be a healthy girl. Like, it ain't no era. It needs to be a healthy girl life. Eternally, you know? So, yeah, they already know what that means. It's going to just keep rolling on over. Actually, y'all, I want to be a gym girl. I think I said this in one of my videos, but I aspire to be a gym girly. Like, I want to be a gym rat, for real. I'm going to get there one day. Under that, still in line with health and wellness, working out, there's a woman in her yard working out, and that just lets me know you don't have to go to the gym all the time to work out. You can go outside, you can get into your elements, you can work out at home, you can work out in the hallway like I did last night. Like, you literally can work out anywhere. There's no excuse. And yeah, that's it. Under that is a picture of a water park. I do want to take baby girl to a little water park. I want her to kind of have fun and enjoy herself. Her brother is with his father, so he don't want to deal with us no more, y'all. He don't want nothing to do with us no more. So he is soaking in all his time with his dad, and I love that for him, honestly. So I'm just letting that ride. But baby girl, however, wants to get out and, you know, have a little fun in the sun. So I figured we would probably plan like a little trip for her. Not too sure where we're gonna go. We might do like a Great Wolf Lodge, or I don't know, some type of indoor water park somewhere. So stay tuned for that, because I really want to make that happen for her. And it could be an indoor water park or outdoor water park, because now it's getting warm, and in May it's definitely going to be hot. So yeah. Back to the top, there is a picture of a beach and a picnic, and it just signifies a nice sunset picnic on the beach, relaxation, and just romantic, you know. Like, I really want to do that. And we're not too far from water, so I feel like that's definitely doable for us. And I'm gonna leave it up to Sean to plan it, but I definitely think that that will be something we can do for the month of May. So y'all stay tuned for that. And then under that, y'all, the 3,000, it's like where are you? I have been striving for this 3,000 subscriber count forever, and I'm like, why is it taking this long to hit 3,000? I mean, we're inching up, don't get me wrong, and I love y'all. Everybody who has subscribed, all my new followers, all my old, thank y'all. I absolutely love y'all. But share your girl out, you know, hit the little share button, share your girl out, you know, put me in one of your little stories and tag me, you know, say what's up to your girl. Like, we want our family to grow. All right, so can y'all help me please hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of May? That is 60. I think we're a little shy of 60 new subscribers that we would need. Like, we just need 60 and then we're there. 60 people, y'all got me. I'm gonna hold y'all to that. Then under that is relax and reset, which is basically what the whole month I feel like it is for me. It's just, girl, relax, reset, chill, unwind. Like, thinking about it just makes me want to go to sleep. But yeah, like, just chill out, you know. And then at the top there's a picture of a blue bed. Mwah. And the room is just put together, nice and neat and clean, decorative, real simple, and that just signifies us finishing up the room decor. We have a piece that we got for over the bed. Behind me, y'all see the lampshade isn't on the lamp yet. We have those being ordered. Well, they have been ordered and they're on their way to us. They should be here this month as well. And then I want to put up the curtains and just kind of get the bed together, and so that when we make the bed and the room is clean, it just is nice, you know. So that's cool. Under that, we put the book, okay, The Power of the Unconscious Mind. Like I said, I did not get to finish that this month, well, in April, but this month, May, is we're going to finish it because I want to move on to the next book. Actually, one of my faith sisters, Valerie, who is head of the Girl Live community, she is also an author and has several books under her belt, so I do want to definitely purchase one of her books and read it. So that's goal for June. And last but not least, under there's a staycation, a girl in a pool, and there's a reminder that says sometimes the best vacation is a staycation. And that just lets me know, like, you don't always have to go far away from home, you know. Like, there's things that you can do. I mean, people visit states all the time and have a good time, and you know, sometimes we can just have fun right up under our nose. And so goal is to do a nice little weekend staycation. It might be the same weekend that we do our sunset picnic at the beach, and just make it a whole like nice vibe for the weekend. So I'm looking forward to that. But that's definitely goal for the month of May. And then other goals are just, you know, just stay on top of the house, keeping it clean, moving my body, drinking more water, taking my vitamins every day because I've been slacking on doing that, and just speaking positive to myself every day, you know, doing my words of affirmations and pouring into myself. So let me know in the comments what you guys goals are for the month of May. How are you guys liking these goal videos? Do you all think that they're inspiring you to kind of, you know, set goals for yourself and hit some milestones? Let me know. Let's chit chat it up in the comments. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to do so before you go. Give the video a thumbs up, y'all. It don't cost nothing, and it's a way to help out my channel. I appreciate the love and support. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.